season on the floor, we saw a duel in endangered animals. Well, wolves are an endangered species, and not many folks understand them well enough to want to protect them. But the Endangered Wolf Sanctuary and Conservation Center is just outside of St. Louis, Missouri. At this facility, they have over 60 endangered animals that they care for and conserve through ethical breeding practices. So, the Endangered Wolf Center has a pretty expansive enclosure for its Mexican wolf population and a plaque dedicated to Don Diego, the last wild Mexican wolf captured in the late 1970s as a pup. Don Diego was brought here in the 80s, and he sired many pups in his time here. He passed away in captivity in the 90s, and the hope and mission of the center is eventually all of the Mexican wolves can be returned to the wild.